What up, America? We back with another cooking video on our wonderful, awesome channel, CNS Ball Life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow's my boss's birthday. His name is Jack. Say happy birthday to Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack.
So I wanted to give him something and make him something that he would enjoy. He is a vegan. I mean a vegan. And with really strict dietary issues. And so I found this recipe for a happy soup. I've never made it before. So if this goes well, y'all gonna see this video. If it goes terribly, terribly wrong, it'll go in the archives with the rest of the bloopers. Are we ready? So this happy soup has vegetable stock. It has shiitake mushrooms, baby bok choy, lemon, some ginger, and red sun-dried tomatoes. I forgot something. And then we have garlic as well. Okay? We have some vegetable stock for the liquid, seasoned salt, pepper, red pepper flakes. And what I'm gonna do is oil the pan, because usually the soup actually calls for oil, but he has a really strict diet and he can't really have oil. So we're gonna just put this spray in here. Hope I don't set the hot damn house on fire while we doing this. Today's meal is brought to you by Absolute with Lime, because libations are everything when you're cooking. Libations make the food taste better. So, according to these here instructions, I'm supposed to have these mushrooms in here and cook them down for a couple of minutes until they start to wilt. So, they're almost wilty. I need to make sure I'm reading my notes because I ain't never did this before, y'all. So 2 minutes. Now I add my bok choy into the party. And I think the plan is to not cook this until it's wilty. It's just more blanching it, because the soup will do the rest of its thing. So we getting them all cooked. Let me see what the rest of my notes say. Ginger, pepper flakes. Okay. So I'm supposed to cook this down until the bok choy just begins to wilt. Oh, baby, you got to get in here. You ain't asked no question. You ain't even in the pot. I'm just stirring y'all.
You getting violent again.
I'm not getting violent. I'm just trying to get the people to see what it's supposed to look like, or what I think it might supposed to look like. Quite frankly, I don't really know.
Yeah, get in there.
I hope you like the soup, Jack. I'm really coming out of my comfort zone, and I'm recording it partially so you can see I ain't using no oil. But the other part is, just in case this goes well, I can post this video. So it's wilting. What does the rest of my stuff say? Hot garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Okay, so here's the ginger, some garlic, boom, and red pepper flakes. I don't necessarily know how many red pepper flakes you like, so it says pinch. Is that a pinch?
What's a pinch or two?
Okay, so I'm getting them all together. It smells interesting. It smells very good, actually.
When you get in there again.
The ginger and the garlic. Ooh, it's a party is in your nose at least, baby.
It does smell good.
Okay, so the garlic begins to color. This smells awesome, though. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna taste it, y'all. I mean, I would taste it anyway. Okay. So now we are to add the broth and lemon and sun-dried tomatoes. It says 4 cups of broth. That's pretty much what this is. Now, normally I make my own broths, but because I just decided to do this a minute ago, this is where we at. Garlic, ginger, broth, lemon, and sun-dried tomatoes. So, what you think, baby? Do you think it smells good or not?
It smells amazing.
Get my Cutco knife, because ain't nobody paying me.
Cutco not paying you.
How much lemon did it say put in here?
Need to contact Cutco.
I need to contact Cutco. Where are lemons? Oh, half. Jack, all my love is in this soup. I'm just saying. This is my first time. I like trying new stuff simply because even if I mess it up the first time, I can always doctor it the second time and try it again. Right? Don't you think? Don't you agree? So, this ain't a lot of soup though, for I guess. Okay, let's turn this up. And then our sun-dried tomatoes. I hope you're happy with this happy soup. Okay, and we're gonna cook this until it begins to bubble. And then it says seasoned at the end. So I guess you have to check and see, you know, if that's your liking in terms of what your seasoning is. And then season with salt and pepper and maybe a little more red pepper flakes. And like I said, the good thing about testing recipes is that if you don't like it, you can always doctor up. Never put too much of anything initially, and then doctor the rest of it up. So while this bubbles, let's talk about the like and the share. I still don't know where it is. So we need you to like our video, we need you to share our video, and we need you to subscribe to our channel because we love subscribers. We are excited about sharing our life with you. And oh, did I show you what my cup say? Cornell has a cup that says Mr. Right. This says Mrs. Always Right. You women can relate to Mrs. Always Right, especially when she's drinking Amsterdam with lime and a little bit of water. Okay, looks like it's starting to bubble. Now, let's get a look-see of this here soup. If you're a vegan, you're gonna love it. It's very fragrant. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a seasoning kind of girl. Like I said, he has very strict dietary restrictions. But I'm gonna give me a bowl of this here soup. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me back up. They also say serve this with rice noodles, rice vermicelli noodles. I am not going to do that because I am keto. I can put some zoodles in it for mine. And I'm going to allow him to I'm going to make some noodles, and I'm not sure if that's on his dietary restriction because we didn't really discuss it, but we did discuss the soup. So, once this bubbles, add you some zoodles or some noodles, and you have a wonderfully complete vegetarian dish. Now, I'm going to taste this here broth and see what it's doing. That is really fucking good. And I'm not just saying that because I was a little nervous about this. I'm not just saying, let me get another spoon because I think I need another spoon for this. Let me preface that by saying I'm a soup lover and I always like a really good soup. And I especially like Asian brothy soups because they always have this like depth of flavor. Here, baby. I'm serious. I want you to taste that.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it.
Okay.
I'm gonna taste it.
Is that good?
That is really good.
Oh God, I'm gonna make this for us.
That is really good.
It has the lemon and the ginger and the garlic is all doing something. And I'm not a fan of mushrooms.
It's nice.
But now I see why people put mushrooms and stuff because it's that earthy flavor, like those soups that be at like Nobu and places like that. This is really
nice.
good.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't know that I want to season it. What do you think? I'm gonna put a dash of.
That's why they tell you season it.
I see now. So I'm gonna put like a little dash of seasoning salt. Salt. And a tap or two of pepper.
Yeah. It's just tap the pepper.
I'm gonna tap the pepper. Gotta tap the pepper. Okay, let me turn this off because it's done. Cause there ain't a lot of broth. I might go get some more vegetable broth and just pour it in here and let it marry with the rest of this. Cause this is amazeballs. I'm shocked, baby. Come get in here, so you can see it.
Okay, let me get in there.
So this is shiitake mushrooms, baby bok choy, sun-dried tomatoes, some ginger, some garlic, a half a lemon, and vegetable stock. A little seasoning, a little salt and a little pepper. I'm gonna get one more spoon. That is, and I'm really not joking, y'all. I am very impressed with this here soup. And you all should go home and try it. Let me see how much it costs. You ain't getting none of them bok choys. It's nothing at all these though. We had to go to the World Market for that. Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. That's really good. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna make a big old pot and put them in the freezer in portions. So, I'm gonna call this video a success. That means you vegans, but make this soup. Like I said, vermicelli noodles or some zoodles if you don't want to do, because I'm keto. That, and then I'll give you a whole extra amount of vegetables too. So you need your 7 cups of vegetables if you're keto, and so that would really add to your 7 cups of vegetables.
So what's the name of this soup again?
It is called Bok Choy Shiitake Mushroom Ginger Root Happy Soup. I was very happy after I tasted the damn soup. I am very proud of this soup, and I hope you like my soup too. Because this is all for you.
You know what it reminds me of?
What does it remind you of, baby?
That cup of soup they give you when you go to Shogun.
That's what I just said. Nobu. I said Nobu. You said Shogun. That's what it reminds you of. That's really good. That's on my new I can cook that list. And but look how simple it was. What 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, something like that. Boom, and we done. Now I can have another sip. Thank y'all for watching again. Like, share, subscribe. If you like my food, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, because I'll meal prep for you too. Thank you for watching. See you next for live.
Yeah.